We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's practice cross heel 7. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that cross heel 7 is cross 7 plus a heel? See for yourself. Let's go with the left. Cross 7 and a heel. With the right. Cross 7 with the heel. Basic. And make sure to go over cross 7 in the link below. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And notice that we use all the 8 counts. Let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And full speed. Basic. Let's go. And cross heel 7. Go. Basic. Give me one more. And basic. And last time. Let's go. Yeah, doing great. Practice makes progress. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. And if you notice, cross 7 is Suzi Q, which makes cross heel 7 Suzi Q with the heel. Let's go with the left. Suzi Q and the heel. Suzi Q with the right and a heel. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go one more time. Cross 7. 1, 2, 3 and a heel. Cross 7 with the right and a heel. Basic. Last time slow. And don't forget to smile. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and full speed. Let's go. Basic. And let's go. Yeah, this is cross heel 7. Basic. Let's go again. 1, 5. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Start with basic on 2 slow, and then just start with your right. Cross 7 with the right. 1, 2, 3 and a heel. Cross 7 with the left and a heel. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Again. 1, 2, 3, heel with the left. 6, 7, 8. Basic. And notice again that we use all the 8 counts. Yeah, let's go. This is the last time slow. So get ready for, full speed. Basic. Yeah, let's go. 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Basic. Give me one more. Yeah, looking great. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's go. And if you ever noticed, cross heel 7 is Suzi Q with a heel. Let's go. Suzi Q with the right and a heel. Suzi Q with the left and a heel. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. Cross 7 with a heel. 1, 2, 3, heel. 5, 6, 7, heel. Basic. And make sure to go over cross 7 in the link below. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And get ready. Full speed. Basic. Go. Yeah, let's go. This is cross heel 7. Basic. Let's go again. Basic. And you know what? Let's go again. Now let's practice face to face. I want to see you. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No basic. Continue. Second time. And third time. Get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. And 3 in a row. Let's go with the right. No basic. Second time. Third time. And basic. Now let's do everything on one. Basic on one, slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. 3 in a row. With the left. No basic. Second time. Here we go. And third time. Let's go. 1. Get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Go. 1. And 3 in a row with the left. Again. Last time. Well done, and thank you for joining me.
Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day, try to twist on the 4 and 8 for different variation.